Hello YouTube, this is Kyle J Gaming and Medical Reviews. This review is on Ambien CR. I just got prescribed about a week ago back to Ambien CR because I was on instant release and the brain I was getting wasn't working effectively. I looked it up, a lot of complaints on it, and yeah, it only lasts like 2 or 3 hours or something. I don't even know if it was real, but I haven't tried the brand name on the instant release, so I went to CR. They have a good generic going for them that I'm getting currently. This video is about how it cures and restores neurons in your brain. If you have traumatic brain injury, or if you have brain damage, or if you have problems sleeping, insomnia, but it does cure the brain. Please listen to me on this. It does cure brain damage. I tried every pill. I can name them off. There's even a video. Watch this. Hamilton Morris made a video on how this guy wakes up out of coma. He wakes up out of death. He's able to talk and speak like a regular person. It does that to people like me. When I don't take it, I get angry at people and I don't want to talk to no one. It's weird. It's a weird effect. Very paradoxical when I take it. I am one of those people that has the Ambien effect. When I take it, it gives me the reaction of where I can speak and my body, like my brain and my body speak for me without me really thinking it. It's like automated. It's like AI or something. There's something in the ingredients in Ambien, which I've been researching this for years now, but since I've been on it, that opens up pathways in your brain and restores anywhere, like right here, that has brain damage. I told y'all in my previous videos. And that's why I got off Lunesta, because like I said, Lunesta gives you brain damage. I researched into it. Ambien CR is a better version. By the way, y'all, if you're trying to get prescribed Zolpidem Tartrate, I would recommend the CR, which is controlled release, and it lasts longer in your brain, it lasts longer in your system. And if you're trying to look for the treatment of TBI or brain damage or any type of damage to the brain, even if it be mild, this one lasts. The CR lasts up to 12 hours. It lasts a long time. It's long acting. But the instant release tablet, it comes at 5 milligrams, 10 milligrams, and the CR comes at 6.25 and 12.25, or no, 12.5, I think, something like that. That's the one I'm on, 12.5. Yeah, that's right. But you have to try it out with your doctor. Ask them, see what the deal is, and watch this video. I'm serious. My daughter agrees with me. This stuff does help people with brain damage. I'm letting y'all know. It's not just a sleep pill. But if you need any questions, ask them on here and ask me. Ask your doctor too and tell them about all the people that actually woke up and were able to speak again from brain damage, like TBI, like I said. Like this video right here, y'all.
Today, he's on half twice a day now. His IQ, 10 o'clock before he gets his tablet. He's 70, and after the
that was a 10 milligram IR tablet they gave him.
Goes up to 90.
What other before his IQ went up, and it went from a 70 to a 90.
Has multiple sclerosis, dementia, Alzheimer's, cerebral palsy, Downing's. We've got the problem, we've got the answer, but we haven't got the in-between. We didn't know where to start or how to start until Ralph. He's the big finger on this, on the explanation part, on the more scientific part.
In 1999, Ralph Klaus stumbled upon an article about the miraculous awakening of Louis Vuitton and decided he wanted to study the effect further by imaging changes in cerebral perfusion before and after Ambien.
It opens up the brain. And my input on this video is, don't diss on this drug. This drug is good. It can cure your life. if you do suffer with TBI. And autism as well. Sleep and autism, it really does help that. I suffer with mild autism spectrum on top of this. But this, you got to get the right brand on this one. If you don't, then you're going to be like, this stuff is making me crazy. That's because the manufacturer and the maker was not making the right compound. Trust me, I know. I've been on different generics, and a lot of them are hit or miss, like lots of them. You got to find what works right for you. Hit me up on this. Very strong topic. Zolpidem Tartrate, Ambien, brain damage, awake, restore your neurons, and your visual cortex and your temporal lobe and your whole brain. Hit me up on this, please. Have a good day, y'all. Hope y'all get something from this.